Sometimes you can use an original sound or preset to transform it and even use it as it is for another purpose than the initial goal it was designed for. This is particularly true for bass sounds, which, when playing higher pitched notes than the notes it was meant to be used with, can yield to interesting lead sounds or accompaniment sounds. Here, the sound we're going to start with, which was designed by Joerg Huettner, was meant to be used as a bass sound. Listen. So let's focus on the first engine, which uses a wavetable based on this sample here. Which is a sample that you see here, which has been decomposed as a wavetable. So this is the beginning of the sound, and then you progress this way. For more details about how wavetables work, please go watch my videos on the topic in the same playlist. So, in this preset, we'll use only the beginning or the first samples of the wavetable. As you can see on the modulated position knob here, when we play the 007 theme with this sound. Now let's add some phase modulation, which will add lower pitched harmonics to the sound. And let's use frequency modulation to add higher frequency harmonics. As an extra step, let's have a slower attack on the filter envelope here. And finally, with a little fine-tuning and the right modulations on the filters, here is what we get.